So friends, this is my Blue Sky channel. And this channel I'm showing all of computer related videos. So I'm already create these component services. What is component services? What is event viewer? What is internet information services? What is the computer management? ODBC data source 32-bit. So I'm already create all of these topics. Okay, 32-bit, which is a 64-bit ODBC data source, and resource monitor, and resource monitor with how can work with resource monitor and why using a resource monitor. So and services, what is a services, and how can we manage task scheduler, why using task scheduler, and why using a task scheduler in control panel. So we are to discuss only control panel in this my playlist. So topic administrator tools in different type administrator tools. My all video part wise, so you must watch one by one. And last video I'm created already defragment and optimize drive with practicals. So what is the defragment and typical drive, you can see here. So today I consider internet this topic we are discuss, and manually work here. So click on here, and you can see here iSCSI internet. What is iSCSI internet and how can we using here? So this tab windows, how can we justify and control systems here? So let's start here. So first understand iSCSI internet. What is a iSCSI internet? First understand these systems. This technology available in Windows operating system, Linux operating system, but Windows operating system in Windows Server 2000 released 2 after all of systems available. And why create these system? So what is the important these using iSCSI client or host? You can know iSCSI internet is a software driver here, one type of software and one type of technology for your computer. You connect these feature. Ethernet network means your internet network, and iSCSI internet provide your connectivity to iSCSI target device over an Ethernet connection with. So this show your access your storage systems, your hard disk, your hard drive, and this is the exact different location from your computer. You any side in world country, any world using internet. So internet through you can your access your data, and your computer connect iSCSI target already. So that time your disk appear, your hard disk appear and show your data, and directly you take your data in your hard disk, not need coming your physically, and your office, your home. So iSCSI is a very best performance, and first you need a gigabyte Ethernet network adapter and 1000 Mbps minimum network internet speed, and iSCSI target connection systems you configure first, and like standard 100 to 10 network adapter means your broadband connection, like, and most gigabit adapter using category 5 or category 6E network cabling. So I will discussing what is cabling. So each port adapter identify unique IP address. So what is IP address? IP address mean one type of address. How it works? So interior, it means internet small computer connect system, this interface. So internet small computer system interface, iSCSI full name. And iSCSI systems is a very easy for you access any side, any your world, any your office, any your system. So first let's understand this example I give here. One office here discuss these systems here in Delhi, Delhi city, and project file, software file, and any files, folders, your data you first need for your your project. And USA Mumbai side, your lot of people, your employee work here, and all of your peoples and systems busy for work your company, but you want these file need for your project systems, your your animations for your meeting. So Delhi in city side, your only meeting area fix, you are already make these file for project file, but you have no this time these 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 the data and these systems here. So first you want your how can you your how can you understand, how can you your more different give information in your company meetings. So first discuss first question is how can take my data, because I'm very long kilometer, very long distance area side my meeting here. So one system, one area, one country, one city, one anything, and other city and other any your country, your cities. So how can you data you transfer? So your company all of employee busy, and maybe your company your employee coming for you your project data, but very late date time. So how can you complete your project, and how can you complete your your meeting? So computer is a very systems using for a lot of computer connect with your internet systems here. So computer engineer make these systems and make the technology using internet through, and your systems kilometer very you going one city to other system to other your country, other your cities areas that your boss already told you, because don't forget your data, don't forget your project files. But how can you using system? So this is a very long distance time, very lost data, lost your time, and your time very important for your company and your project and your meetings. So these are very important. So engineer these tab iCazi internet small connected these systems in configure your server. So that time not need your third party, not need your third employee. You first create your special network, and your hard disk connect with your iCazi systems here, and lot of files save in your hard disk. So this is my project data file in my folder here, and all of a file some employee different sequence my file my set save in my main computer servers here. So this is a this meeting here, this in Delhi city is here, and I want to need this file, but Delhi in office side available internet, and my all of company employees company server with a company network connect with the internet here. So this system I'm already configured, and I'm using these systems in my computer server. So computer server always ready for iCazi's internet small connector systems. So I can directly download, connect with my computer server, and this is a main server of computer. Lot of employee, lot of company making server and store in all of data in server system. Server is a main computer systems here. Small area network systems area. Lot of servers, backup servers, and iCache servers and data server, web server, fax server, Active Directory, these different type servers. I will discuss server is in this server series. So what is a server? How can we manage? How can we create, configure, and different type feature and settings here. I will discuss in some minute. But in this time, in this video, I'm just uh, telling you, not need third party. Just you call your system. I want this my data, so you can use internet and internet storage, Gmail, and so this is the iCache systems in we are discuss only uh, Windows operating system. So let's start here. So friends, this is a small internet properties. iCache internet properties here, and this is a target. So first you create internet iCache. I have already my internet IP address here. So what is a directly not add your IP address means your computer systems here. So this is a created by computer engineer and computer engineer, network engineer, server engineer. Already first you want iCache server. Without iCache server, I cannot handle, I cannot use. So iCache server directly not using a system C. So I have no server, but I'm just showing how can we using iCache, and I'm just showing with a different type feature here. So just understand here, this is my lot of data here, but I have no main computer project file, not I have no system files here, because these already other network and other hard disk drive in save my my data in my project file, and that time I want to need it is files. So first I want to check my target iCache systems here. So these using two type systems here. First you target your your IP address or your DNS name, means your computer domain name server. So what is a domain name server? Domain name server is a one type of DNS systems with your server. So without server you cannot using iCache these features here. So this technology available first configure in your computer server computer. Okay. So what is a server? Server is one type computer, but this is a very important, large and very heavy and high configuration computer one type of. And this is my client computer, means this is my I'm client using. This is a www.gst.com. I'm this type, right, means I'm client and I'm connect with my computer's main server. So always my systems first check here this type name in DNS systems in my computer with my network. So first you want a target here, and target means what is the target, what your computer main DNS means your iCache install, and iCache install with your new control and create your DNS systems here. So this type watching in my, you can see my partitions here. This is a local computer and local partitions here, but iCache different showing here. iCache means showing this type not logo here, means network type showing logo here. So friends, this is a video part one complete here. I will show you in window these iCache target, how iCache target in Windows Office system. So continue in the next video part 2 here, and how complete these systems and iCache target working in iCache technologies. Different type iCache target, and you can set up here.
So this is a one type of network storage, and you can access any site, anywhere, anytime. So now in this my video completely here, and next time I will meet you. Thanks for watching my video.